So today we are going to be talking about fractions. And a fraction is a comparison of equal parts to a whole. And a whole is always equal to 1. So if we have a whole pizza, that's going to be equal to 1 pizza. So if I have one whole circle and I divide it into 2 halves and I take 1 half away, how many halves do I have left? 1. Right, Sydney, you have 1 half left. When I'm writing a fraction, my bottom number is called my denominator. And my denominator is going to be how many parts, equal parts that I'm talking about. So if I have one whole sandwich and I divide it into 2 parts, that's going to be my denominator. Now if I'm just talking about one of those parts, then my fraction is going to be 1 half. Okay, so what if I have one whole circle and I divide it into 3 parts and I take 1 part away? How many thirds do I have left? 2 thirds. Okay, so if I have one whole circle and I divide it into 4 parts and I'm talking about 4 parts, I'm going to write it as 4 over 4. Okay. What if I have one whole candy bar and I'm talking about 1/4 of it? Who can come up here and write the fraction that I'm talking about? Sydney? Great job. 1/4. What if I'm talking about 2 parts? Who can come up here and write the fraction for 2 parts out of the candy bar? Great job. So each part of the candy bar is 1/4, and if I'm talking about 2 parts, the fraction is going to be written 2 over 4. Okay, now we're going to play a fraction game. So what we're going to do is you just match the fraction with whatever picture it goes with. So if I'm looking at 1/3, I'm going to match it with the picture that has 3 parts and is talking about one of them. So who wants to come up and try it? Thanks. Great job. Why don't you pass the pen to someone else?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Good job. Pass it to someone else.
right, great job.
Yeah.